How to turn on history in Google Chat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable message history so your conversations are saved and searchable. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. At this point, open the conversation or space where you want to turn on history. From there, tap on the conversation or space name at the top. After that, look for the History toggle within the Details panel. In the next step, toggle History on if it is currently set to off. From there, a confirmation may appear explaining that messages will now be saved and visible to all members going forward. Once done, tap on Turn On or Confirm to apply the change. Following this, keep in mind that turning on history does not retroactively save older messages that were sent while history was off. It only applies to messages going forward. Finally, go back to your conversation and confirm that history is now turned on and new messages are being saved. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on history in Google Chat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.